Hello everybody. Made a video a while back on I found Kaboom at a discount store, and it was Kaboom toilet bowl cleaner, and I put it on the shower because I have awful orange stains from hard water, and it did this kind of job. It did pretty good, but you can't really move it around or anything. So I was at Dollar General the other day. I found Kaboom. Different stuff turns white when it's done. I've already read the instructions. I'll show it to you after I spray it on. That way it can get busy. Be 6 to 8 inches back. I have not used it before, and that's some wicked stuff. I already did like a shower. It turned white already. I kind of turned it, used hot water, kind of loosened it all up. Feels like I'm spray painting. It says 6 to 8 inches. Maybe I'm supposed to put it on there thicker. This was about $4. $4. It's a little bit more nasty than the other stuff. The other stuff was toilet bowl cleaner. I'm going to show you guys this while it's doing its thing. It's still blue in areas. Kaboom Foam Tastic changes color when clean with the power of OxyClean Stain Fighter. Turns white when clean. It cleaned it like it says it cleaned it instantly. Comparing it to the toilet bowl cleaner, it hasn't done much. Sprays on blue, turns white when green. Fresh scent. It smells alright. It's kind of toxic smell. Something I wouldn't want to keep smelling all day. Sink shower tubs. Just their logo that's on the front. Don't know if I can zoom out far enough so you can read the whole label at once. I'm going to go down to directions. Do not use on brass, acrylic, unsealed granite, or marble. Spot tested an area. Yeah, I spot tested the whole shower. Non-porous surfaces. Directions. Spray on 6 to 8 inches from surface to be cleaned. Watches blue foam powers through soap, scum, and hard water stains. When foam turns white, wipe with a clean cloth or sponge and rinse with water. I'm going to compare it to the toilet bowl cleaner, where all I did was wash it off with the hose when I was done, which I have fancy looking things from Walmart, I guess. I'm going to use that. And if I have to do more work than the toilet bowl cleaner, I'll go back to the toilet bowl cleaner. I was just trying something different. And all the toxic stuff. It's super heavy. I think it was only $3 and something. Pretty good for $3. It's showing that it's all clean. I'm going to take a cloth. Does it say a damp cloth or just a cloth? Let's look. Wet cloth. Okay, wet cloth. I'll follow the instructions. There's a wet cloth. I'll try over here. There's a spot. It's white. It did not do anything. I'm going to go down here. You can see it's a little sooty there. Feels like it's done absolutely nothing. I sprayed it a bit thicker back there. Yeah, it hasn't done anything. So I'm going to spray it on super thick. Now, if you guys didn't watch my toilet bowl cleaner, this is kind of fun because it feels like I'm spray painting something. The toilet bowl cleaner put all these streaks in here. And you see it did an amazing job. I just need to do the rest of it. Well, I don't have a huge shower at all. But of course everybody wants to do it the laziest way, and that's what I want to do. Okay. It's turning white super quick, which the toilet bowl cleaner, it took a while. I had to put my phone down and just let you guys watch it for about 10 minutes. What does it say it works on? Sink, shower, tub. It doesn't say anything about toilet. Just waiting on it to turn white. This seems to have turned not totally white. It looks totally white in the thing, in the camera. Let's see. Right behind it is the same stuff. It's almost like I painted the wall when you compare this to the Kaboom toilet bowl cleaner. Well, it says to wipe it off like that and then rinse it with water. So we're going to flip on the shower. Maybe when you rinse it off, magic things happen. Okay, so I would say I would never buy this stuff again compared to the toilet bowl cleaner by the same brand. I'd put the toilet bowl cleaner in like a spray bottle. Don't know how long the spray bottle would last, but at least it'd spray out. That's kind of what I was going for, because toilet bowl cleaner comes out as a stream. Hopefully this helped people avoid a bad purchase or getting rid of soap scum. Soap scum, hard stain. You can buy stuff that's less toxic. I think it smells very toxic. Less toxic to get rid of your clean scent, your soap scum and all that, like 409 or something. I would compare it. It's a little bit worse than 409. 409 basically just cleans off your scum and makes it look shiny. So hopefully this helps somebody.